SERV stock next week, Monday. Is it a buy or a sell? Let's see where is it going in the next upcoming days, weeks, and months. When I'm looking at SERV Robotics, we're sitting at $10.13. And I mean, just from this brief outlook, last week's performance was a little down. You know, it was like 9%, almost 9% down. Looking at this thing here, this is a very bullish market, but the only case in which I'd really take a buy here is I want to see a bullish momentum start to take place. When I say bullish momentum, I mean the price to really start picking up higher, and only then I'd really double down on the, just jump on the bandwagon. But yeah, like I want to see this happen, and only if it starts happening, then I'm gonna buy. This is only for now, because what can also happen is we start having these double breaks lower, and that will be even more interesting. So if you want to learn the strategy, check the first link in the comments. All reviews are 5 stars, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.